Hey, Dart here. There's been a few questions on what is the replace and activate button for the hero sets, and so I just want to cover some very basic stuff with that. Here we've got your hero, the current hero with his gear, and over here you have hero sets. You can have many hero sets, but the current hero set is the one that's active at the time. You can think of each of these other slots as a file that you would save your set to. And that's what the replace button does, is it'll go ahead and save whatever is current in the hero set to one of these slots. The activate button on the other side is to actually turn this particular one on. So in this case here, economy has 191 items that can be set in there. It's basically empty. And if I go over here and take a look at the skills, right now I have all of these skills set up. On this hero set here though, if I go ahead and click the activate button, it's going to go ahead and set the current hero set to whatever was sitting in this snapshot. So now if we go into the hero sets, we've got 148 items in here that we can go ahead and work with. So let's say that I was just going to go ahead and add some other item in here. Let's just increase this. Now we've just made a change to the current hero set. So in here you can now see the difference. Current hero has one less item, and the economy is still at the old one. And if we went ahead and just, if we want to save this economy one here from the changes we just did, click on it, and it brings up this screen, and you can hit the replace. And what replace will do is we're going to take the current hero set with whatever gear you've got here, and it will place it into this set. So now you see the numbers are matching the gear set and everything. This is like a file name for Word for Windows. It's just going to take whatever this file is that you're working on and save to that with a replace button. The activate button, this one here, can be gotten to from just go to this screen here, or you can just click on here and it comes up here as well, so that I can activate this set. And of course each time you do that it's going to cost you a little bit. Now the current hero set is equal to that base hero set and has its properties. So I hope this demystifies those two buttons, and go ahead and make whatever number of slots you need for different things like invaders and warriors, economy, knowledge, whatever you need. That's what they're there for. Thanks.